How does this work? What is this? How does this work? Hello, welcome to my boxing channel, Box Other Things. So, what I have here today is a SkullPanda figurine to unbox. This is the Tell Me What You Want Happy Holiday series. Quick look at the box. SkullPanda. So these are the designs that you may get. How many are there? 3, 6, 9 designs. Hoping for a secret. So this is a showcase unboxing. I'll open the boxes and we'll showcase the items. This set is quite hard to get. I'm quite happy that I managed to find this in Popmart. Right, quick look at the boxes. Okay, let's just aim for the secret, either the secret 1, secret 2. Alright, first box, let's go. Look at the card first. This is Jingle All the Way. Right. Nice card. Is this a special card? I don't think it comes in foil. Some cute accessories. Ooh, very shiny. Look at that, so cute. Okay, so supposed to tie this on top of it. I'm not gonna do this now. I'm gonna do this later. Okay, let's go. Next. Right, tough good luck. Hey, what? Hey. What's wrong with this box? Okay, it's a card. And what do we have? This is Sweetest Rebel, and yeah, see this card? It's not foil. I think I have a special foil card. Interesting. Alright, this is accessories, a candy cane, and a hot stand. This one looks big. This is this guy. Sweetest Rebel. Very nice. See, look at the other card. See this? This is foil. This is not. Which is very interesting. Alright. Time for good luck. Whoop. This is Fun Ride. Not a secret. Ooh, look at the accessories. So this is like a reindeer. Oh, this is so nice. I really like the Popmart figurines that has this felt like fur thing texture. And this has it. Wow, this is my favorite so far right now. This is my favorite one. Look at the face. Look at the position that she's at. Oh, so cool. Free Ride. I think Free Ride is my favorite right now. Oops. Tough good luck. This is Baking Best Wishes. Accessories stand. Okay, let's look. Look, it's a gingerbread panda. Looks pretty nice. Not my best one so far, but this is kind of cute. Oops, good luck, come on. This is Home Alone. Oh! But it looks so good. It looks like porcelain. Look at that. Oh, and the tower is felt material. Oh my god. This is nice. Okay, I take it back. I like this one too. This is good. Wow. I think this should be magnet. Yeah, it's magnet. Okay, last 4. Come on. Come on. Okay, well, this is really my target, but if I could get a secret, that'd be great. Whoop. Whoop. This is on schedule. Which is this one? No secret. Oh. Oh, this guy's a lot of accessories. I'm not getting a camera with him. Look at this. My god, focus, sorry guys. SkullPanda. Wow. The hair is chrome. Look at that. Very chocolate feel. Come on. This hasn't come out yet. It's just my target. If I get a secret and it replaces this, I'll be so sad. Really. What is it? What is it? Oh yeah, let us know. My target. Yes. Yes. Oh, this is the very thing that I like. Okay, we will do that. Oh, look at that. Is it see-through? Oh, it is see-through. This is nice. Look at that frozen season. What is that? Is that a heart? Oh, it is a heart. Oh my goodness, this is felt material too. Oh, Popmart, you outdone yourself, really. This is so nice. This is so good. And look at that. That's so cute. Wait. What is this? Okay, my target. Let's put my target there. Come on. I think it's quite impossible to get a secret Popmart. The ratio is really low. So if I do get a secret. Oh, okay, this is not a secret. This is this thing. It's getting dressed. A lot of accessories. Oh, this one has felt material too. Soft plastic. Last box. So, is that a secret or still on the job? Which I think it will be this one, most likely. But I mean, obviously, hold. Yeah, it's still on the job. No secret. This one has some accessories. Oh wow! No way! This is felt material too. And there's a bell. Oh, this is nice. I like this too. Well, this is the unboxing video for SkullPanda. Tell me what you want series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Woo. Okay guys, I actually got a secret. Oh, no wonder this card is foil. Oh my god, the very first box I got a secret and I didn't know. Oh, okay, wait. Okay, I get it. There we go. There. Right, so this is a secret. I really didn't know I got a secret, and this was the first box that I opened, right? And I ended the video and only I realized that we got a secret. Oh, look at the back, really. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's quite surprising to get a secret from this set. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time.